In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use project notes in DaVinci Resolve. Now, if you're familiar with this remarkable video editing software, you know it offers an immense array of features designed to boost your creativity, and project notes is one of these handy tools that, when used effectively, can enhance your workflow and keep your editing process organized. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. First, once you have DaVinci Resolve opened up with your project loaded, take a look at the menu bar located at the top of your screen. Here, you'll notice several options, but we're interested in the File menu. Go ahead and click on File. This will open up a drop-down menu and you'll see an array of tasks you can perform. Don't let the number of options overwhelm you. It's just an indication of the powerful capabilities DaVinci Resolve provides. In this menu, you'll find the Project Notes option. Clicking on Project Notes will open up a window where you can jot down important notes and details pertinent to your project. This is particularly useful for documenting your thoughts, keeping track of different elements, or even noting down changes you plan to make in your edits at a later time. It's like having a digital notepad that's easily accessible right within your software. Once you've opened the Project Notes, you simply start typing your notes. The best part is, you don't have to worry about saving these notes manually. As you type, DaVinci Resolve automatically saves everything for you, which lets you focus on capturing your thoughts or instructions without the fear of losing any unsaved progress. This feature ensures that your editorial workflow is both efficient and seamless. Remember, these notes can be as brief or as detailed as you need them to be. Whether you're writing a couple of reminder sentences or a comprehensive outline, DaVinci Resolve keeps it all organized. Moreover, accessing these notes later on is as simple as clicking on File and Project Notes once more. Having your notes embedded within the project file means they travel with your project, so no matter where or when you open it next, your valuable insights are right there waiting for you. Before we wrap up, consider making it a habit to use project notes in every project you undertake. It's a small step that can greatly increase the clarity and coherence of your editing projects. Plus, it serves as an excellent way to communicate important information if you're handing the project over to someone else. And that's it for this quick guide. By incorporating project notes into your editing workflow, you'll be better equipped to manage complex projects and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!